Hey Ray, this is Brandon here. Just reaching out with that short video with some tips and tricks on how you can potentially bring more business into Mid-City Auto. Um, Looking through the businesses here, I came across you just a Facebook page. So hopefully, going to show you some tips and tricks that if you decide to build a website, you can apply these things and hopefully bring in more customers, more business, and more money. Um, so if we do build a website, um, three things that I like to touch on for customers is um, first one being content and keywords. So when you build a website, you're going to want to make sure you got at least 1,500 keywords in or content words in there. And then inside that 1,500 words of content, you're going to want some keywords. So in your instance, you're going to want like Milwaukee auto repair Milwaukee. And then whatever it is your niche that you like to work on most or whatever brings you the most return on investment. You're going to want to mention those things in that content as well. Second thing you're going to want to bring up is uh, is is citations, and citations, simply put, are how you get on this map pack here. So you can see Brett's Auto Repair down in Milwaukee there. He's on the map pack along with a couple other people. And the way they're doing that is they're getting citations. It goes along with the backlinks and the keywords and the content on your page. But the citations are anything you are out there on with your exact business name, email address, phone number, and address. So anytime you can get that out there, whether it be on a Yelp, a Yellow Pages, an Angie's List, whatever the case may be, that's going to be considered a citation. Build you more power and get you up to this map pack here. Not only is Brett's Auto Repair in the map pack, but he's also number one on the organic searches. Um, so yeah, obviously he's dominating the competition, and it wouldn't take much to take him out and get you there. The other tool we use, Ray, is what's called Ahrefs. And Ahrefs, it's about a $500 a month tool. Um, and it shows people where their backlinks are and where their referring domains are. And based on these two numbers, Google gives you some power in their algorithm system. This is based on a 100-point scale. Obviously, the higher the number, the better. And what you really want is these two numbers to be, pretty close together. You can see this guy 23 and not even a 1. So what this is telling me is out of his backlinks, that 138 backlinks, that a lot of them are spammy. And before I get into that, a backlink is this. Anytime you got a website and you got links on it, that if somebody clicks on that link, it brings you to a different web page. So you want to have those on your own website, and you want to have your link on other people's website as well. But you want those links to be relevant in your industry. So if you got a link out on somebody's web page that, in the automotive industry, that's going to be a powerful backlink that brings customers back to your site. You'll bring power in here. But if you got a backlink, let's say on like Taco Bell, um, that's really no relevancy to the people searching Taco Bell. Why are they going to be brought back to Brett's Auto Repair in this instance? So I think he's got a lot of spammy backlinks out there. But nonetheless, he's doing something right. He's got 456 people coming to his website a month. Um, there's no way to track that with your Facebook page. So I really think you're kind of missing out by not at least having a website up there. But maybe you're bringing in so much money in business that you don't need this kind of stuff. I really don't know. But if you find yourself looking for more business, wanting to be more relevant, wanting to bring in more customers, or bringing in a certain type of customer, that has a bigger return on investment, where you can start to be picky and say, you know what, I'm going to turn down these little jobs because we got so many people coming in for a bigger ticket item. You can reach back out to me. I'm going to send this over to your email, and you can hit me back. I would appreciate just anything, whether this was informational, not informational, too long, too short. Um, and then obviously, if you have any questions, we can chit chat there and find out your goals and where you want to go, and maybe we can help you out. So appreciate your time, Ray. You take care for the rest of the day.